people are confused, or you could say they are looking for the stereo mix option in the wrong way. Hello guys, this is Windows Fixer, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get the stereo mix option on any PC or laptop. Most people download realtek audio drivers and think they will get stereo mix, but it probably does not work on all PC setups. What we need to do is download audio drivers based on our model. The first step is click on the Windows icon and then search here for system information. Once you get this, open it. Then find your system model and the manufacturer website. So after obtaining that information, follow the further step. In this case, first we will find the model, system model. Okay, I'm using H81M PSI motherboard. Now the second thing is in the baseboard manufacturer, which is related to your official company, Asus Tech Computer Inc. Now these two things are important, baseboard and baseboard manufacturer. Alright, now just minimize it. Alright, now Asus Tech audio drivers, hit enter. This will get you to the official website on the download center page. Now here you can search through model or find your product. Finding the product is kind of difficult, so it's easier to type here the model and you can easily get the drivers. So as I said, I'm using H81 and you can see a list related to my motherboard, H81 M P, and here is my motherboard. And on the left side you can see here the CPU, memory, drivers and utility. Basically we are going for the drivers, so just click on it. Now on this page probably you'll get the drivers that actually fully supported to your system. Might be it's older than the newest version, but we need to go with these, and later on you can update drivers through any other setup, or you can update your driver using the CC Cleaner trial version. If you don't know how to do that, just let me know in the comment section. I have already, I guess, uploaded some videos, so I can give you those links so you can easily update those later. Now first of all, here is the audio driver. Simply you need to download this and install it. This will solve your issue. Now I have a lot of videos on this topic, so if you search on my YouTube channel how to get stereo mix or how to get the alternative stereo mix, you can easily get those videos, and with those videos you can fix your problem. I'll put the link in the description so it's easy to navigate those videos, and related according to your topic you can easily watch those tutorial and fix the issue. If you have any other question, just let me know in the comment section. I'll guide you through that. Till then, just take yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.